And thanks for joining us tonight. The nation's roadways are getting a lot more deadly. Today, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration releasing early estimates of traffic crashes in the U.S. during the first 4 months of the year. The report found the number of Americans killed has hit a 20-year high. According to the report, nearly 10,000 people have died in crashes since January. Locally, deaths on Madison streets are actually down, according to the data the city shared with us this morning. Police point to a concerted effort to reduce speed limits and crack down on problem drivers. Tahlil Mohadeen is live on one of the city's busiest and often most deadly streets with more on the impact the city's Vision Zero has had. Tahlil?
Eric, it's been about a couple of years since the city committed to no deaths or severe injuries on their streets. And a big part of that was reducing the limits on streets like this one. East Washington went from being just a 35-mile-per-hour zone to 25 miles per hour. And city leaders say these changes are working. It's not been a speedy change. But Madison leaders say we're another step closer to a lofty goal.
We really start to refuse to take fatality as a price to pay for mobility.
Vision Zero uses a multi-pronged approach to reach zero traffic deaths or severe injuries by 2030. The traffic division says changes to city infrastructure, speed reductions, and police enforcement focused on hazardous driving has really paid off.
People know that we're serious about this.
So far this year, according to Vision Zero data, the number of traffic-related deaths and injuries have decreased by 40% since 2021. On East Washington alone, they've gone down 33%. City traffic engineer Yang Tao says part of that success is thanks to community engagement.
We're really trying to engage our residents to hear their inputs, to learn about their need, and also trying to foster a safety culture.
Still, the number of crashes on East Washington has actually gone up 6% this year.
You're still going to have that certain percentage of drivers that chooses to drive in a reckless fashion.
But Traffic Emergency Management Lieutenant Tony Fiore says that Vision Zero data allows them to better focus their enforcement.
We'd like to be able to work everywhere and try to reduce the frequency of crashes, but really we're looking at trying to reduce the severity of those crashes that are happening.
At least 3 people have been killed on Madison streets this year, including a bicyclist on the Far East Side earlier this month and another on Mineral Point Road in June. But city leaders stress they can only do so much, reminding us all it's on all of us.
Our daily choices really matter, especially when you get behind the wheel. So let's work together. Let's achieve there.
Madison is applying for several federal grants to do more safety infrastructure work in the coming years. Reporting live, Tahlil Mohadeen, News 3 Now.